morning, students. Welcome back to the SST class. Dear students, already we have started learning about my country and its landscape. Is it, dear students? Dear students, in this lesson, we have learned about where our country is located on the world map and how our country is surrounded by water on three sides, that is the Bay of Bengal on the east, Arabian Sea on the west, and Indian Ocean to the south, and how our country shares its border with Pakistan and Afghanistan to the northwest, China, Nepal, and Bhutan to the northeast, and Myanmar and Bangladesh to the east. Sri Lanka and Maldives lie to the south of the country. Yes, and these are all our India's neighbors. Is it, dear students? With this, we have learned about the states and union territories of India. Dear students, our country, India, has a population over 1 billion people. In order to look after the citizens of the country and to run it smoothly, it has been divided into states and union territories, including the National Capital Territory of Delhi. Here, New Delhi is the capital of India, where the President, the Prime Minister, and the other ministers of the central government live. Dear students, the offices of Government of India are also based in this city. The capital city of a state is the city from where its government functions. Dear students, with this we have learned about physical divisions of India. Yes, dear students, in the previous class already I have explained you few things about physical divisions of India. India has varied physical features. By seeing this map you can understand here how the different colors are using for the different areas. Is it? So varied physical features like mountains, plateaus, deserts, rivers, and islands. Our country is divided into 6 physical divisions of the basis of these features, and these are the northern mountains or the Himalayan mountains. Is it, dear students? And the northern plains, the Great Indian Desert, the Peninsular Plateau, the coastal plains, and the islands. Is it, dear student? These are the 6 main physical divisions of India. Dear students, look at the different colors used on the physical map of India. Is it? So each color denotes a physical feature of the country. Here, whatever the colors they have used, these colors denotes the physical features of the country. Is it, dear student? Dear students, in the previous class, I have told you about the northern mountains. Here, the brown portion in this map denotes the Himalayan mountains or northern mountains. These are the highest mountain range in the world. They form the northern border of the country and are source of the many rivers. Dear students, after this we have learned about the northern plains. Dear student, northern plains lie to the southern part of northern mountains, and here many crops are grown in this region because of the flat and fertile land. And dear student, this is, just you will see in this map, the Great Indian Desert. It is, this area is denotes by yellow color. Is it? Yellow color. Dear student, this is the Great Indian Desert. It is also called as Thar Desert, and it spreads over the northern western part of India. It spreads over the northern western part of India, and the sandy area is dry. This is all, whatever the yellow portion you are looking, this is all the Great Indian Desert, and this is the sandy area. Sandy area means it is dry and it receives very little rainfall or sometimes no rainfall. Is it, dear student? This is about the Great Indian Desert. Okay, dear student. After this, dear student, we have learned about in the previous class also I have explained you about the Peninsular Plateau. It lies to the south of the northern plains, and the peninsula is indented in triangular shape and extends till southernmost tip of the mainland. Dear students, a piece of land surrounded by three sides on water. Is it? This is called a peninsula. Okay? So our peninsula, it is a triangular in shape and it extends till the southernmost tip of the mainland. After this, dear student, about the coastal plain. Dear student, the coastal plains lie on the eastern and western Ghats. Just you will see here. The coastal plains lie on the eastern and western coasts of the country. In the west, the coastal plains occupy the region between Arabian Sea. Yes, the coastal plains occupy the region between Arabian Sea and Western Ghats, and in the east, they occupy the region between Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. Understand, dear students? The coastal plain lie on the eastern and western coasts of the country. In the west, the coastal plain occupy the region between Arabian Sea and Western Ghats. And in the east, they occupy the region between Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. And dear student, Western Ghat is also known as Sahyadri. This, dear student, the Western Ghats is also known as Sahyadri and is famous for its biodiversity. Understand, dear student? What do you mean by biodiversity? The variety of types of animals and plants found in this particular area. So this is this area is also called as Western Ghat, is also called as Sahyadri, and it is famous for its biodiversity. India has an island group. Is it, dear student? India has an island group. Just in this image you will see. India has an island group on either side, that is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in Bay of Bengal. Yes, dear students,